Good afternoon, everyone. It's Tuesday, April 19th. I'm later today be flying up to Pennsylvania, getting ready for the York train show, and going through the layout. I never had these on the tracks before. This is my CP Rail train collection. So I got the 8854 FM and all the different variations. We got the silver with the black letters, silver with the white letters. There's the yellow one, the green one, and they have a black one with gold letters, a black one with white letters. This one is the brighter blue. This is the dull blue, the red, and the yellow caboose. For MPC engine with traction tires and this many cars, it does a very good job. Okay, so the next video will be the York train show. I'll get some highlights posted for that when I get back from that trip. Have a good week, everyone. God bless.